changes to open work permits of family members of temporary residents. And this will take effect on January 21, 2025. Marami ang apektado po nito na mga international students at saka mga temporary foreign workers. Papunta pa lang sa Canada or narito na sa Canada. Yan ang pag-uusapan natin guys ngayon sa ating video, kaya manatili kayong nanonood. Hello and welcome back sa ating Menchi po muli ito, and today another topic about Canada. Mga bagong policies na naman sa Canada. Kung gusto nyo ang gantong paksa guys, please consider subscribing sa ating channel, Menchie's Philcan Life. Click the subscribe button. At salamat po sa inyo na mga subscribers na ng ating channel. Pwede rin kayong mag-follow sa aking Facebook page na Menchie's Philcan Life. And you can join and be a member of this channel. Salamat po sa ating mga channel members. Jennifer Palanas, Striving Mom Advisor. Kay Nery Castro, Nanette Lapira, Jesseline Ochoa, kay Erwan Villanueva, Johnson Pangilinan, kay Corazon Binene, G-View, Joy, Gabriel, Channel X, Marjorie Ramos, Marjo Momento, Marciano, and Nympha. Salamat po sa inyong patuloy na support sa aking channel. And now, let's go to our topic. Hello mga international students and hello mga temporary foreign workers sa Canada. Ayan. Ilalagay ko guys sa description box ang mga links kasi may mahabang explanation po para sa international students. Ang new policy na ito para sa open work permit. Marami ang nagtatanong kung pwede pa bang ma-renew ang kanilang open work permit or pwede bang isama ang spouses nila at gawan ng open work permit or i-apply ng open work permit. Yan ang ating tatalakayin kasi bago ito. Isa na naman po itong paraan ng Immigration Canada para ishrink, pauntiin ang foreign temporary residents sa Canada, foreign workers, saka estudyante. Yung mga spouses and family ang kanila ngayong tinatarget po. Isa sa mga tinatarget nila para makabawas sa maraming nasa loob ng Canada. Uunahin ko guys ay ang foreign workers. Baliktarin ko yung nakalagay po dun sa announcement, mas una yung international students. But this time, sa aking explanation, unahin ko yung mga foreign workers kasi mas maiksi po yung paliwanag sa foreign workers. Okay. Family open work permit will also be limited to spouses of foreign workers who are employed in Tier 0 and 1. Ito po ay in-announce na ito noong September pa Tier 0 and 1. Pero marami pa rin ang nagtatanong. So ngayon, ito na po, definite na. Tier 0 and 1. Select Tier 2 and 3. Occupations in sectors with labor shortages linked to government priorities. At ito po babanggitin natin. This include occupations in the natural and applied sciences, construction, healthcare, natural resources, education, sports, and military sectors. Nasa 7. But there will be a full list that will be available in January 21. Yun. So guys, ito pong announcement na ito will take effect on January 21. And on the same date, magpapalabas ang IRCC ng full list ng mga occupations. Halimbawa, pag sinabing construction, ililista nila doon kung aling mga posisyon sa construction lang ang kasama sa pwede ang asawa or spouse to apply for open work permit. Maaaring hindi lahat ng construction jobs. Halimbawa, healthcare. Ano-anong mga posisyon or occupation sa healthcare, makikita natin guys yan sa January 21. Kaya, bitin, ha? Bitin ang announcement mo, Ate Menchi. Siyempre, dependent po ako sa IRCC. Kung ano lang ang sinabi nila, yun lang po ang ating sinasabi rin sa inyo. Okay? Tagapaghatid lang po. I am just a messenger. Don't kill the messenger. Okay. So, January 21, abangan ninyo guys sa website ng IRCC ang kanilang additional information about this. Okay, more information. Para pa rin po ito sa foreign workers, okay? In addition, the foreign worker must also have at least 16 months of remaining of their work permit. Okay, 16 months pa. So that is isang taon at kalahati. Kung mas maiksi na dyan ang effectivity ng ang visa ng inyong work permit, hindi na kayo allowed by the time of your application. Open work permit that were approved under the previous measures and have not expired will remain valid. The family members, including spouse and dependent children, can apply to renew their work permit as long as kasing haba lang ng natitira na work permit ng main applicant. Yun ho yun. Kung mas maiksi yung binigay sa inyo na work permit at yung main applicant ay meron pang visa ang kanyang work or study, pwede pa kayong mag-renew. Kung ang main applicant ay kasama sa Tier 0, 1, 2, and 3 na listed, then okay, makaka-renew. Kung hindi po kasama, I doubt ng renewal. At saka yung 16 months, 1 year and a half. Pag kulang na po doon, hindi na po pwedeng mag-apply ng open work permit. Dependent children of foreign workers will no longer be eligible. Hindi na po pwedeng isama ang mga dependent children. Kung kayo ay open work permit dahil sa kayo ay may application ng inyong PR at hindi pa lumalabas, hindi po kayo kasama dito. Merong isang policy guys para dyan sa mga nag-apply ng PR. That is hanggang December of 2026 pa sa mga PR applicants, open work permit ninyo. So, you're not included here, no? Meron kayong separate. So, hindi po binabanggit ang Tier 4 and 5, guys. Hindi po binabanggit ang Tier 4 and 5. Ibig sabihin po, hindi mako-qualify ang mga Tier 4 and 5 sa open work permit ng mga foreign workers. Yun ang mga bagong paghihigpit sa temporary foreign workers. At ngayon, dumako naman tayo sa international students. Effective January 21, 2025, only spouses of certain international students and foreign workers will be able to apply for the family open work permit. Family open work permits will be limited to spouses of international students who are enrolled in, ito na guys, master's programs that are 16 months or longer. Narinig nyo na ito noon, di ba? Pero ngayon, binabanggit pa uli. 16 months or longer ang inyong kurso dapat sa masteral. So, that is 1 year and a half. Okay? At mga doctoral programs or select professional and eligible programs. Ano yun? Ano yung select professional and eligible programs? Iki-click ko, guys. Okay? Click natin, pupunta tayo sa ibang link ng Government of Canada pa rin. Ang sabi, help your spouse or common law partner work in Canada. Iyon. The spouses and common law partners of some international students may be eligible for an open work permit. Is listed as ineligible on the list of employers. Merong listahan guys ng mga employers na hindi allowed. Hindi ko na i-click yan, but I will put this link sa ating description box. Kung gusto nyong mabasa yung mga employers na yon, pwede nyong i-click, but I will not. Okay? And then, diretso na ako sa who can apply. Your spouse or common law partner must meet the eligibility criteria listed below to be eligible for an open work permit. May binabanggit sila guys na petsa. If your spouse or common law partner is applying for an open work permit on or after April 30 of last year, 2024. On or after. Ibig sabihin makalampas ba sa petsang yon or makalampas ng April 30, which is kasama ngayon kasi January ngayon of 2025. That is after April 30, 2024. Another one, if your spouse or common law partner is applying for an open work permit between March 19 and April 29. If your spouse or common law partner applied for an open work permit before March 19 of 2024. If your spouse or common law partner is applying to extend their existing open work permit under this stream. So kung kayo pala ay mag-extend, ay pwede. Existing open work permit under this stream, ang sabi. So how long the open work permit will be valid? Most of the time, your spouse or common law partner's work permit will be valid for the same period of time as your study permit. Magkakambal ho yun. Kasi yung main applicant, yung kanyang mga petsa doon, yun ang dapat sundin. Kung ano yung petsa ng end ng kanyang permit, dapat ganun din yung end ng inyong open work permit. Yan. Tapos yung how to apply, ayan po. In cases, your spouse or common law partner must apply online for your work permit. Ito po yung open work permit application for spouses or common law partners of students. Ayan. Meron daw pong technical issues with online applications. You must use the following instructions to apply for the open work permit online. Ayan, may mga questions, answer some questions. Susundin na lang po ninyo yan. Kung kayo nag-a-apply from outside Canada or kung nasa Pilipinas pa kayo or sa ibang bansa or kung kayo applying inside Canada. Kung usually nagre-renew nasa loob ng Canada, ano po ang karamihan sa inyo. Yan. So, tingnan natin. Applying inside Canada, when asked, does one of the following apply to you? I'm applying for an open work permit under an active public policy or pilot program announced by RCC. Ang answer daw ninyo ay no. So, dapat pala basahin yung mabuti guys itong instructions na ito kung kayo ay mag-a-apply na. May mga answer na no, may mga answer na yes. Ayan, no? So, hindi ko na po iisa-isahin sa inyo ang detalyes nito. As what I said, I will put this link sa ating description box para hindi nyo nahanapin. Doon na lang ninyo sa description box natin ng ating video. Doon na lang po ninyo i-click para mabasa ninyo ang mga ito. So, yun guys, maapektuhan yung family reunification kasi ang gusto ng Canada sana ay pag nagpunta ka rito kasama mo ang pamilya mo. But, dahil sa pag-aayos sa mga maling nangyari, yun, hihigpitan ang mga spouses. At meron pa kayong kaunting time para ihabol ang inyong application hanggang bago dumating ang January 21. That's the best thing you can do. Yun na po muna ang ating information again today. Si Ate Menchi po ito. Salamat sa inyong panonood. Kung nagustuhan po ninyo ang ating video, please subscribe to my channel at pwede rin kayo mag-follow sa aking Facebook page na Menchi's Philcan Life. You can also join and be a member of this channel. Salamat po sa inyo. Salamat sa mga kasalukuyan nating channel members. Salamat po sa ating mga channel members, Jennifer Palanas, Striving Mom Advisor, kay Nery Castro, Nanette Lapira, Jesseline Ochoa, kay Erwan Villanueva, Johnson Pangilinan, kay Corazon Binene, G-View, Joy, Gabriel, Channel X, Marjorie Ramos, Marjo Momento, Marciano, and Nympha. Salamat po sa inyong patuloy na support sa aking channel. Yun na muna guys ang ating video ngayon. Abangan po ang susunod sa ating Menchi from Toronto, Canada. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Bye-bye!